Hello YouTubers, today we're going through the Peco's tunnel at Jerry's Express Car Wash.
Nice looking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so we go to the left. Dirty car entrance. So, anyways, here's the vacuum stations.
This way. Okay.
Yeah.
I have not seen this.
Right.
Boy,
they got the dryer brushes at the end too.
Look how popular it is.
Yeah. So I think we can get on the left lane because I'm pretty sure the line is shorter on that.
It's about the same either way.
Yeah.
This is a popular
I'm in the right lane.
car wash.
Right lane, excuse me.
Now point out that they can join the unlimited car wash for $15 a month.
Yeah.
And they can come by here every day.
Yeah.
Are there reviews out for this already?
Yeah. Like there's some people that actually wrote some reviews.
This is, I think, the busiest car wash I've ever been to with you.
Mm-hmm. Should we fold, or do you think the workers would fold?
They'll decide.
Okay.
Yep.
Please insert cash or card.
So the cars move through pretty good, huh?
Mm-hmm. Oh, there's a Tesla Model X right there.
I thought Teslas didn't go through touch washers.
Right, I don't know why some people prefers to use the tunnel wash.
Yeah.
But look to the right, that's the Tesla Model X.
It certainly is, yes.
Yeah.
What's that first multicolor thing?
Let's see what that one is. Seems like the line is actually moving pretty fast.
Very fast.
And this video has lasted for 4 minutes right now. So that's a very quick line. Left tire on yellow line.
Okay.
There we go.
Wow, the cars stay close together in this car wash, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is cool. What is this?
That's some good soap.
So they start out with the trifoam?
I don't think that part's the trifoam, but we'll see. Oh, it looks like the conveyor stopped for a minute because it looks like someone's having a problem.
Oh, they're in the back of our truck right now.
Yeah.
Oh, getting the plastics out.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
No
I have to take this out of the back or else
No.
it'll mess up the truck.
No problem. Thank you.
Of course, thank you.
Because roll up the window before it sprays.
Oh, yeah.
That would have been mad if it sprays the inside.
Oh, it stopped everyone.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. We stopped the whole car wash for everybody.
Just because of that plastic in the back.
Yeah. Now,
We didn't know about that.
it said something about chamois dry. What does that mean?
We'll see.
Okay. Which wash should we get?
We got the Jerry's Best. Oh, tri-foam.
Yeah. I got a feeling this is going to be our best tunnel wash so far.
Yeah.
My favorite tunnel wash is on Round Grove Road, and it has a new name to it.
Yeah, the Whitewater Express car wash, the one that used to be Legends Express.
And they dried your car pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay, Rain-X and spot-free.
Spot-free.
Yeah. Oh, that's the chamois drive. Yeah, that reminds me of the one in Louisville.
Yeah, that's the Peco right there.
So this car will actually be dry.
Yeah, look at the Peco sign.
Oh, yes, I see. Pretty neat. This might be my favorite one.
Yeah. By the way, it's kind of like Whitewater Express car wash. They have brushes at the end too.
Yeah,
You remember that?
I do. Okay, we're going to pull off to the side so I can pop the mirrors out without rolling down the windows.
Yep. That way so it doesn't smudge it.
Yep, so I'll just pull off here
Yep.
into the vacuum area for just a moment.
Yep. Here goes some vacuum stations. But anyways, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and buy YouTubers. This was the Peco's Tunnel at Jerry's Express Car Wash. Bye.